What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything, and you are here with your boy, your cook, Spinelli, the self-proclaimed wing king and the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings, hands down. And if you don't believe me, after this video, click that link above me. That's all the proof you guys gonna need. Now, in today's video, what we're going to do Buffalo Ranch wings. This here is another simple and easy recipe. Not many ingredients, but it is delicious. So I hope you guys in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. We have our Publix green washed chicken. We're using some smoked paprika, ranch dressing, crushed red pepper flakes, hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, seasoned salt, Frank's Red's hot ranch dip seasoning, vinegar, and some butter. So as I told you guys, not many ingredients, so let's move on. All right, so I've already measured out our ingredients for our chicken, and I cut and cleaned our chicken. So what we have here, we have 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of red pepper sauce. So this is what we're going to use to season our chicken. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and season our chicken. So what you want to do is pour your 1/4 cup of melted butter over your chicken. Next, add your red pepper sauce. Lastly, add your white vinegar. And now you want to give this a good mix to combine the ingredients. All right, let's move on. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use to finish seasoning our chicken after we let it sit for about 10 minutes in that mixture. 1½ tablespoons of ranch seasoning dip, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's move on. All right, so we're going to finish seasoning our chicken. So take your red pepper flakes, add them to your chicken mixture, then add your seasoned salt, add your smoked paprika, and lastly add your ranch seasoning. And you want to give this a good mix. Guys, don't worry about the butter thickening up on your chicken. You know, don't worry about that. Once you put it in the oven, that stuff is going to melt right into that meat. So don't even worry about that. All right, take a look at it and we'll move on. All right, what we're going to do in this step is line our baking sheet with aluminum foil and spray our grates with cooking spray. Like I say, this is for easy cleanup and for so your chicken doesn't stick to your grates. All right, let's go ahead and continue. All right, so now let's add our chicken pieces to our pan. Skin side down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart. Try not to overcrowd your pan. Look at that, guys. Look at all that goodness on them chicken wings. Look at that seasoning. Love it. I know you guys can tell I love me some wings. All right, go ahead. Add your chicken pieces. I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so we're going to put these bad babies in a preheated oven of 400 degrees, and we're going to allow them to cook for 55 minutes. Again, turning them over halfway through the cooking process. So set your timer, and I'll see you guys in half the time. All right, now we're halfway through this work of art. So we're going to pull our chicken pieces out, start flipping them over. Guys, I like to flip my chicken pieces over in the middle of the cooking process to allow them to cook evenly on both sides. You should want that too, to make sure both sides are crispy and cooked thoroughly. So go ahead, flip your chicken pieces over, and I'll see you guys in the next step. All right, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for our ranch buffalo sauce. What I have right here, I have 6 ounces of Frank's Red hot sauce. I have 1/4 cup of butter, and I have 3 ounces of ranch dressing. So this is what we're going to use for our sauce. So let's move on. All right, guys, so now it's time to make the star of the show. So what you want to do is you want to add your butter to a pot. Next, add your hot sauce. And lastly, add your ranch dressing. And you want to give that a good mix and continue to mix it until it is well combined. Bring it to a boil as you continue to stir it. As soon as it starts boiling, remove it from the heat and add it to a empty dish. All right, and we're going to reserve this until the wings are done. All right, so now our chicken pieces are done. We can remove them from the oven, place them over here on the counter, and take a good look at them under the light. Looks great. What do you guys think about that? I like what I see. All right, let's move on. All right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to remove your chicken pieces from your baking sheet, add them to a bowl so we can start saucing these bad babies so we can finalize this recipe. All right, see you guys in the next step. All right, so what you want to do in this step is we're going to take that buffalo ranch sauce and we're just going to spoon it over these chicken pieces like this. Depending on how many wings you got, you may want to pour all of it over it, but I don't have that many wings, so I don't want to pour all that sauce over it. Cover it with a lid and do a little shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it, shake it, bake it, bake it, bake it. All right, remove the lid and look what we got. Voila. All right, so now we're going to add these chicken pieces to a clean plate. They are looking amazing and they smell good. All right, add your chicken pieces to a clean plate, and I'll see you guys in the final step. And there you have it, buffalo ranch wings. Take a look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Them some good groceries, guys. Them are some good groceries. Take a look at that. You know what? I may be the king of buffalo ranch wings too. But I'm gonna wait till you guys try these, and then you can leave a comment below and let me know am I the king of buffalo ranch. I'm telling you, these things are amazing. So I do have the ingredients and the measurements in the video description below. And guys, if you need some of these items, I also have linked them in the video description below. If you purchase from those links, it helps the channel. It helps me continue to make these great recipes. So I will appreciate that if you buy from one of the links. Also, guys, if it's your first time here and you love good wing recipes, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I am out. Peace.